tayo sa pinakahuling laro ngayong araw na ito. It's the finals game 1 of our girls volleyball between the University of Batangas and the Naga College Foundation. At kasama niyo pa rin po kami. I am Cristina Alcanzo Reyes and with me is Puerta.
Again, nagbabalik tayo dito sa loob ng Faith Colleges at sa Tanawan, Batangas for our last game ng game 1 ng finals. Again, nabanggit mo dito, NCF versus UB. So, sinong makakakuha ng unang panalo this afternoon? Yan ang aabangan natin as the game progresses.
Yan, hindi na po natin patapagalan dahil sa aming pagbabalik. It will be the finals game 1 of UB and NCF only here on the Ragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers a high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF, College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger. Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
We create value and improve the quality of life of our customers, employees, stakeholders, and the communities that we build. We are Team First Asia. Team First Asia is the corporate network started by First Asia Venture Capital in 1983. Over the years, we have created opportunities for progress and growth through education, aviation, electronics, innovation, hospitality, tourism, logistics, property development, and social progress. We nurture lasting relationships with our stakeholders that are built on integrity, trust, and the constant pursuit of excellence. We are guided by the values of competence, commitment, and consistency. We plan ahead and we are frugal. We work hard. We are socially aware and responsible. We are nation builders. We see a bright future where we work with you to educate, to innovate, to care, to connect, to build. We will continue to improve people's lives.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers a high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF, College of Arts and Sciences. explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAST.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger. Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
Sa bumaba sa Manila.
We are back here sa loob ng Faith Colleges for our last game sa ating Game 1 ng finals. It's between the Nago College Foundation versus University of Batangas. So in a few minutes, magsisimula na ang first set for these both teams. Kanino kaya mapupunta ang game number 1 between these two teams? Yan ang aabangan natin sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-follow and subscribe sa ating Facebook pages. We have Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and of course, GNN TV48 Naga, and UCCL Facebook page. And syempre nakalive din po tayo sa ating YouTube channel. We have the GNN TV48 Naga.
University of Batangas and NCF Tigers. Now let's see here for our finals game 1 of our girls volleyball. Let's see kung sino nga ba ang unang makakuha ng set number 1. Now, we have here the starting 6 of both teams, the Brahmans and the Tigers.
With that first service ace on the side of the Brahmans. Abitria. Nice dig. Great block coming from the NCF. Chance for the Brahmans here to score. Rendal. And a free ball on the side of the University of Batangas. Two straight points para sa University of Batangas.
Service. Abitria with a strong attack. Jersey number 13 now. Now let's see here. One more time for Abitria. Pero that score would go on to the side of NCF Tigers. Abitria. One more time. Outside. (4-1) sa ating scoreboard. Or 3-1, rather. Now jersey number 6. One more time for Abitria. Dima Flex. Dima Felix with that powerful attack. Straight points coming from the side of Brahmans.
On the side of NCF Tigers, because University of Batangas, napakaganda ng simula para sa ating first set. 5-1 on our scoreboard. On your screen, NCF Tigers. Gabrina to serve on the side of Brahmans. Servidad will giving up a free ball. And another score and point conversion on the side of UB. Gabrinao. And service ace on the side of Brahmans. Wow. Napakaganda ng simula nitong UB. Let's see kung ano magiging adjustment on the side of NCF. Now, again, jersey number 6 to serve.
Now, kung makikita mo, Rick, medyo magulo doon sa side ng NCF Tigers. No proper communication sa mga players dito. At nagiging advantage yun ng NCF or ng UB Brahmans. And with this, 7 points po yung kalamangan na nagagawa na nila ngayon. So they need to have, or so they need to execute a good gameplay. But with that error committed by jersey number 15, Mendoza, napahinto nila ng NCF Tigers yung sunod-sunod na pagpuntos dito ng Brahmans. But still, not a good first set for NCF Tigers. Loss of communication here.
Now Santos to serve on the side of the Tigers. Mendoza setting up jersey number 2. Kotitob setting up Servidad. Zaraspe for the setup. Too tight. Free ball. Chance on the side of Brahmans to score. In the middle, Andon Serendal. Kotitob to Abitria. Nice save on the side of Batangas. Zaraspe. Dema Felix. What a long rally. Dima Felix to jersey number 13. Andon Serendal. Kotitob setting up. Jersey number 11, Abitria, and soft touch was effective on that last sequence.
Ayan, grabe yung long rally natin na yun. No NCF Tigers, they need to step up now because the UB Brahmans napakaganda ng kanilang floor defense dito. Santos.
And Mendoza with that quick.
Jersey number 13, Recinto. Now serving, 9-3. 6 na puntos na kalamangan dito.
Great serve. Kotitob. Close to the net set para nagawa ng paraan ang Servidad. Wasdag. Zaraspe to jersey number 1. And jersey number 1, Pasigan. Hindi dito na ipasok yung kanyang atake. So, NCF with the ball.
Na paunti-unti binabawasan ng NCF Tigers yung kalamangan na ginagawa dito ng UB Brahmans.
Zaraspe to Pasigan, pababawiin. At yun nga, makakabawi dito si Pasigan with that cross-court hit. 10-4 on our scoreboard.
Dima Felix now serving.
Great serve. Kotitob to Servidad. Dema Felix with that. Pasigan. Andon Serendal. One more time for Servidad. Great defense on the side of UB. Great dig. Pasigan will try. Too strong. Attack error para dito sa ating Brahmans.
At kung makikita mo, Rick, grabe yung depensa sa loob ng court nitong UB Brahmans. Lahat ng atake talagang nakukuha nitong Brahmans. Now let's see here if this will continue. 10-5. Now,
Rendal breaks down the wall on the side of Brahmans.
napakaganda ng atake na yun coming from NCF Tigers. Now let's see here. Servidad. What a
a serve. Pero napakaganda ng depensa on the side of UB. Free ball. Zaraspe, 1-2 play. Andon yung libero. And now Zaraspe in her middle, and Mendoza very much activated on the side of University of Batangas.
Now, what a good set number 1 here, 11-6. Now, jersey number 15.
Mendoza to serve. Straight to the net.
Error, bonus point para dito.
Daniel to serve. De Chavez setting up Pasigan. Ball is still alive. Cotito, Torrendal with soft touch.
Now, the NCF Tigers needs a good defense here. Ito yung kalamangan na meron ngayon ni Brahmans. 1.
Pasigan to serve. Cotito setting up Rendal. Another attack error on the side of NCF. Substitution. Rendal is out. Peliado is in. Now, University of Batangas looking good para dito sa ating set number 1. Cotito sa ating Peliado, bagong pasok. Abitria. Now, Cotito return to the sender, and Peliado with an error. NCF Tigers. A lot of unforced error para dito sa pagsisimula ng ating first set. Now, University of Batangas needs to maximize these errors na nagagawa nitong ating NCF Tigers. At this time, Santos makakakuha ng puntos on that quick hit.
There was 6-point lead of UB Brahmans. Now, this is an opportunity for NCF Tigers to lessen that point.
Peliado on the deck to serve. Another error on the side of the Tigers. Rendal, ibabalik on the side of Tigers. Meanwhile, jersey number 19, Zaraspe on the deck to serve. Great serve. Cotito to Abitria, and Abitria using the hands of the blocker.
Now, paunti-unti binabawasan dito ng NCF Tigers yung kalamangan na nagagawa ng UB Brahmans, but still, this is a 6-point lead of Brahmans. Now, jersey number 8 to serve.
Great serve. Zaraspe to jersey number 2, Dima Felix.
Now, isa sa mga problema dito ng NCF Tigers, no solid defense. So they need to focus on that one dahil yung Brahmans talagang all of the players attentive doon sa bola. Now, jersey number 6 now to serve.
Poor first ball on the side of Tigers.
UB Brahmans, very comfortable lead here, 79. Jersey number 6 now to serve. And an error. Bonus point para dito sa NCF Tigers. Now Santos on the other side to serve.
Zaraspe setting up her middle again. Mendoza. Nakakailan na ito si Mendoza on the side of University of Batangas. So ito yung dapat ditong bantayan on the side of Tigers. Now, Recinto to serve. But an error. 18-11 on our scoreboard.
No, yung mga errors dito ng UB Brahmans yung nakakadagdag sa puntos ng NCF Tigers. So at this point, they need to step up now. Now, Abutria to serve here. 18-11. It was not a good set number 1 for NCF Tigers. Mas lumalaki ang
Enjoy dito sa loob ng Faith Colleges. Pesigan on the attack. Kotitob. And it catches the line para kay Abitria. Finally, a side out on the side of NCF Tigers.
But still a big gap here, 22-12. Double-digit lead of UB Brahmans. Sa 3 puntos na lamang bago magtapos ang ating set number 1 in favor of UB Brahmans. Nuay.
Free ball. Chance for the Brahmans to score. Mendoza. What a smart move para kay Pesigan. Nakita na ang walang tao sa zone 2. That's why doon niya dinala yung bola and a substitution on the side of Brahmans.
Now 4-2, papasok dito ang exchange of Mendoza. Now 4-2, 23-12 on our scoreboard. UB Brahmans still on the lead here. Serve. And Rendal getting that attack. Pero mahaba-haba pa yung kailangang pagtrabahuhan dito ng NCF Tigers to lessen that gap of UB Brahmans. 23-13. Still a double-digit lead. Now jersey number 7. An error, very crucial one. Nabigyan ng pagkakataon dito ang UB Brahmans because they are now on set point. Set number 1 domination of UB Brahmans here.
And now Pesigan to serve. Another great serve. Kotitob to Santos. And finally, some variation on the setup on the side of Tigers. Activating the middle blocker.
Now Rendal to serve. Again, this is a set point for UB Brahmans. No room for error for NCF Tigers.
Zaraspe. And an attack coming from jersey number 13. So first set will go on the side of University of Batangas. We'll be right back on our second set, only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back for our second set. Doon nga po sa ating first set, a domination of UB Brahmans. Nagtapos po sa score na 25-14. So now dito sa ating second set, ano kayang gagawin ng NCF Tigers para bumawi dito? A good defense yung talagang kailangan gawin nila dito dahil yun yung advantage ngayon ng UB Brahmans. A good attack and a solid defense is what they need right now. So let's see, an early domination kailangan ngayon ng NCF Tigers dahil medyo mahirap na kalaban yung UB Brahmans ngayon. Now Kutito.
And Recinto breaks down the wall. So again, first point will go on the side of University of Batangas. Zaraspe to serve. Great serve. Chance for there. Another point conversion on the side of University of Batangas. Again, ito yung nakikita natin dito sa University of Batangas. Very consistent simulat sa pool magsimula itong ating set number 2. Kutitob in the middle. Abitria gets that one in.
Now, yun yung mga kailangan ng NCF Tigers ngayon. Solidong atake. Now, Abitria, one of the key players here of NCF Tigers, needs to step up. Jersey number 1 now to serve.
Daniel. Good serve. Zaraspe. Setting up. Jersey number 13. Recinto. One more time for that beautiful attack.
Now, jersey number 6. 1-3. 2 puntos na kalamangan ng UB Brahmans.
Kutitob in the middle. Another error on the side of NCF. Gabrinao on the deck to serve para sa Brahmans.
Again, jersey number 6.
Great rejection. Now Zaraspe will give it to jersey number 2, Dima Felix, but nice rejection para dito kay Santos. Yun ang kailangan dito ngayon ng NCF. Good defense at the net, and syempre magkakaroon ng napakagandang opensa.
Now, Abitria.
De Chavez. Zaraspe, inner middle. Nice reaction. Now, Rendal will give up a free ball. Chance for the Brahmans here to score. And Mendoza again with that strong hit.
Now, Mendoza kanina pa sa ating first set. Isa sa mga magpagkakatiwalaang players on the side of UB Brahmans. Napakalaki ng ambag niya dito sa side ng University of Batangas. Now, an early 3-point lead coming from Brahmans.
Kutitob. Setting up Randal. Zaraspe. Abitria. And Rendal will give up a free ball. Zaraspe. To jersey number 1. Ball is still alive, but Luway touches the net. So point will go on the side of University of Batangas.
Now, nagsisimula na muling lumayo yung puntos ng UB Brahmans dito against NCF Tigers. Now, jersey number 13 to serve.
Great serve. Kutitob setting up Rendal, and Rendal will score. Side out. Pinaka-kinakailangan ngayon on the side of NCF.
Ito yung kailangan talaga ng NCF ngayon. Kahit paunti-unti, basta talagang may magandang connection between the players here, most especially the setter with her teammates. Nuway.
Great serve, De Chavez setting up Dima Felix. Kotitub setting up Rendal. Rendal again. This time, Rendal. 2 straight points for her.
No, Rendal. Napakaganda ng mga atake niya dito. Consistency is the key for NCF Tigers. Now, 2-point lead of UB Brahmans. Nuway again to serve.
Another great serve. And with that, NCF slowly but surely creating and building their momentum for this set number 2.
Now, errors. Dapat wala ng error sa side ng NCF Tigers kung sila naghahabol dito ngayon because UB Brahmans can take that advantage. Now, Nuway to serve.
Another perfect serve. Zaraspe to Pasigan. Nuway gets that one. Abitria will give up a free ball. Zaraspe back to Pasigan. Soft touch. Nuway setting up. Abitria at the back. Dima Felix getting a point. (5-7) on our scoreboard. Still, University of Batangas ang may hawak ng kalamangan dito sa ating second set. Dima Felix to serve.
5-7 on our scoreboard.
Great serve. Wag na wag mong bibigyan itong si Mendoza ng regalo because again, kanina pa ito during our first set. And now, substitution, Pepino.
Now, Dima Felix serving 5-8.
Kotitub, Torrendal, again, breaking down the wall. Rendal ang nagtatrabaho ngayon on the side of NCF Tigers.
Rendal dito sa second set. Napakaganda ng mga atake binibigay niya. Now Pepino to serve.
Another error on the side of the Tigers. Mendoza to serve. Good serve. Pasigan. Soft touch again. Again, Pasigan. Very smart on every attack. Kanina pa ito nakakakita ng butas on the side of the NCF Tigers. Again, Mendoza to serve on the side of UB. But an error.
Lumalaki na ngayon yung kalamangan na hawak ng UB Brahmans again. Kailangan wag hayaan ng NCF Tigers na mas lumayo pa ito. Now Rendal to serve.
Napakabilis na bawi on the side of UB. Pasigan to serve. Good serve. Kotitub setting up Abitria. And Abitria will get a point on that down the line hit.
3-point lead of UB Brahmans. Now, Kotitub to serve.
Good serve. De Chavez setting up Presinto, andun si Rendal. Kutitub, setting up Abitria, and Abitria. An attack error. Good intention, but poor execution on that last sequence para dito kay Abitria. And now, Brahmans on the deck to serve. Saraspe. Kutitub. Abitria babawi para dito sa NCF Tigers. Let's take a look one more time for that replay.
Now Daniel, still a 3-point lead of UB Brahmans. But still, mas nag-improve yung NCF Tigers compared to our set number 1. And Daniel having that surface error.
Gabrinao on the service line. Good serve. Chance on the side of Brahmans here to score.
Now UB Brahmans still dominating the second set. We've seen a great players here from the side of UB. Now, timeout was called sa side ng NCF Tigers. Kanina pa, yung mga errors na nagagawa dito. Poor execution here of the gameplay of NCF Tigers. At ito yung ginagawang advantage ng UB Brahmans kasi as we can see, napakaganda ng mga connection itong mga players sa side ng UB. And still, they're having a great momentum here sa ating second set.
And now, what will be the adjustment on the side of the NCF Tigers and on the side of University of Batangas? Kailangan lang ditong maging consistent if they want to snatch this game number 2. Set number 2 rather.
Now, jersey number 6. Serve 9-14.
Kutitub in the middle. At yun ang sinasabi natin dito, if you have a good first ball, magta-translate ito into point conversion. That's why first ball first para dito sa ating laro. Great serve and great block. Now, 1-2 play. Ball still alive. Dima Felix with that receive. And great rejection at the net. Recinto Belchay. Andon yung libero ng NCF. Kutitub. Torrendal. De Chavez with that pickup. We have a long rally here. Kutitub in the middle. Kutitub. Torrendal. Wow, the floor defense of De Chavez on the side of Brahmans. But this time, let's talk about defense. And nice rejection at the net para dito kay Santos.
Yun yung magandang laro ng NCF Tigers. And if they can be consistent with that kind of game, they can snatch the set number 2. But still, hindi papayagan niya ng UB Brahmans. That's a good serve coming from Abitria. Service ace. Now down to just 2-point lead of UB Brahmans. No room for errors here. Now let's see here as Abitria again to serve.
Abitria to serve, targeting De Chavez. Dima Felix is denied. Return to the sender. So, ito yung hinahanap ni Coach Parley on the side of NCF Tigers. That's why napatawag dito ng timeout ang side ng University of Batangas.
Napakaganda nung sunod-sunod na pagpuntos ng NCF Tigers. Now let's take a look at it doon sa ating last sequence. Grabe yung mga atake dito sa side ng NCF as well as sa UB Brahmans. At consistency is the key lamang talaga dito. If this kind of game will continue sa side ng NCF Tigers, nako, mas intense na laban yan mapapanood po natin. But let's see on the side of UB Brahmans, what will they do now na nakalapit na ang NCF Tigers sa kanilang puntos? Now, this is still the service of NCF as Abitria ready to serve.
Nice serve. And miscommunication between Zaraspe and De Chavez on the side of UB. So we are outside of 10 at 14.
Now this is the very first time that the NCF Tigers tied with the UB Brahmans. So now let's see here. Sabitri again. Good serve.
Free ball on the side of NCF. Chance for them to take the lead. Nuway. Andon si Pesigan. Zaraspe. Sa ating apresinto. Rendal with that coverage. One more time for Nuway. And Nuway with that cross-court kill. And this time, Teen, abante na ngayon ng isang puntos. Itong NCF Tigers.
This is what we're talking about. This kind of game of NCF Tigers, kailangan lang talaga nilang i-unleash yung ganito. Now we are on the exciting point of this matchup. 15-14, 1 point lead of NCF Tigers. Abitria again.
And I would like to commend the service of Abitria because again, kargado ito. That's why nahihirapang iangat on the other side of things. And right now, 2 straight points on the side of the NCF Tigers to get the lead para dito sa ating second set.
Now Abitria 16-14. Another good serve. Pero this time, an error. Pero still, the UB Brahmans, this is their chance now. Dahil straight points yung nakuha ng NCF Tigers. At this moment, mukhang babawi ang UB Brahmans here. Jersey number 13, ready now to serve.
Recinto with a jump serve. Rendal getting that one. Abitria will give up a free ball to Chavez. Great coverage. Kutitov to Santos. One more time for Mendoza. Rendal will attack. And Rendal will score.
Now, Nuay. Nuay.
Another error.
Ito yung kalaban ngayon ng NCF Tigers. Yes. Errors again. After that straight points, errors na naman. They need to lessen that now. Jersey number 2, Dima Felix, serving.
Good serve. Kutitov in the middle. And Santos naman ngayon ang nagpapakilala on the side of NCF Tigers.
Now Santos to serve. Ayan, nakakailang errors na naman itong NCF Tigers. But still, nasa kanilang isang puntos na kalamangan. Consistency. Dahil mabilis lang itong mahabol ng UB Brahmans pag hinayaan nila now. Jersey number 11, ready now to serve. 18-17.
Cold hands. Kasi kapapasok lamang nitong si Andy Yaves on the side of University of Batangas. So, another great opportunity on the side of NCF Tigers to snatch this set number 2. Rendal to serve. Great serve by Rendal. And right now, Teen, 2017 ang ating scoreboard. 5 more points for the NCF Tigers to win this second set.
Yes, but now, they need to be consistent here. Good floor defense is what they need.
Pesigan. Abitria will attack. Nice coverage. Now another chance on the NCF Tigers. But this time, Abitria secures that one.
Napatawag na nga ng timeout ang UV Brahmans with that 4-point lead coming from the side of NCF Tigers, 21-17. What a great clutch para sa NCF Tigers. From set number 1, madaming errors na nagawa dito. Hindi masyadong maganda yung defense ang pinakita. But now on second set of this game, nabuhay muli itong spirit of NCF Tigers. So now let's see after this timeout kung anong gagawin ng UB Brahmans to still get the set number 2. Now as we are back to the ball game, pasalamatan lang natin muli ang ating mga sponsors. Big thanks to Sana Corporation, Mountain Philippines, Mikasa Philippines, Southeast Star Enterprises, Faith Colleges, Oragon Sports TV, GNN TV 48 Naga and Naga College Foundation. Maraming salamat po.
Rendal, pipe attack. Ball is still alive. Now Pesigan one more time on that down the line hit, and it was good.
Now jersey number 1.
Abitria flying and scoring on the side of the NCF Tigers. Let's take a look one more time on our instant replay. Beautiful attack on the side of Tigers. Now, ano ang gagawin dito ng University of Batangas? Because at this moment, nasa NCF ngayon ang momentum. Zaraspe setting up. Back to Abitria, soft touch, andon si Dima Felix. Ball is still alive, Nuway setting up Abitria, Pesigan gets that one, De Chavez setting up Recinto. Buhay pa rin dito ang bola, Rendal will give up a free ball. Zaraspe to Recinto. Too strong on that attack. And with that, Tigers 2 points away on getting this set number 2.
Grabing change of momentum ito. 23-18. Now, 2 puntos na lamang for NCF Tigers to snatch this set number 2.
Zaraspe setting up Recinto one more time. And Recinto scoring para dito sa University of Batangas. Yun ang kailangan na side out ngayon ng ating Brahmans.
Now, the game is still alive for our set number 2. As Brahmans gets that point. Jersey number 19.
Kutitub setting up Abitria, their team captain. And walang kumuha on that attack sa side ng University of Batangas and now NCF. Nasa set point na para sa ating second set. Daniel on the deck to serve. Free ball will be given on the side of NCF. Nuway, soft touch, andon si Recinto and De Chavez with that coverage. And this time, Dima Felix naman paunti-unti naghahabol or humahabol itong University of Batangas. Now jersey number 6, Gabrinao, on the deck to serve on the side of University of Batangas. Rendal, pick up. Soft touch. Soft touch by Abitria, and that's the end of our second set. At nanalo po dito ang NCF Tigers. One set apiece. We will be right back for our third set only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We are back for our third set here for the matchup of University of Batangas Brahmins and Naga College Foundation Tigers. At one set apiece na po tayo. At sa pagpasok ng ating third set, let's see, will it be the UB Brahmins or the NCF Tigers? And of course, Rick, a quick shoutout lang kay James Angela Gabarda, Cristina Valenzuela, and Marniela Berido. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now, let's start here as the UB Brahmins Zaraspe to serve.
Late serve. Kutitub setting up Abitria, smashing that ball. Wow. Let's take a look one more time for that instant replay. Napakalinis na down the line hit by Kisha Abitria.
What a good start for NCF Tigers. Kutitub to serve. Sasara Tunuay, straight through the net. Now let's see here. Mendoza ngayon for our third set. This is an intense matchup between these two teams. Mendoza to serve.
Great day coming from Pasigan. Dema Felix was dug up. Nuway, babawi ba? Andoon si Zaraspe. Free ball will be given on the side of NCF. Kutitob to Abitria. At pasok on that drop.
Now, Abitria. Mainit-init para dito sa ating third set. Now, let's see. Here's Danielle. And that point will go on the side of NCF Tigers. Now, a good momentum dito sa pagsimula ng ating third set. Danielle again to serve.
Kutitob. An error on the side of NCF Tigers. And now, great serve. Another error on the side of NCF. That's why we're all tied up at 3.
Nako, nakahabol na muli ang UB Brahmans. Mahirap dahil ang UB Brahmans ready dito against NCF Tigers.
Great serve. Kutitob in the middle. So yun, yung kaninang gustong i-execute ni Kutitob. But right now, Santos with that kill.
Now, Abitria to serve.
Nice serve. Touch net on the side of University of Batangas. Sayang yon para dito kay Gabrinao.
3-5. Abitria one more time here.
Zaraspe, underhand set to Dema Felix. Kutitob, back set to Nuway. And Nuway with that attack error.
Medyo napalakas yung atake doon ni Nuway. So they need to lessen that gigil. Now let's see here, Dima Felix to serve.
Kutitob to Servidad. Unang puntos para sa set 3 ni Servidad. Kitang-kita sa ating replay yung attacking yon ni Servidad. Service ace.
Now, Servidad, straight points here. 4-7.
Zaraspe to Pasigan. Ball is still alive. Rendal will attack but straight to the net. This time, error.
Now, jersey number 6. Dalawang hinahabol dito ng UB Brahmans.
Kutitob. Servidad setting up Rendal. Pasigan andon. Ball is still alive. Great stop. Abitria at the back. Wow, what a defense on the side of Brahman. Great floor defense for both teams. Saraspe, combination play. Andon si Servidad. Abitria, pipe attack was good. Inilaga ni Dima Felix yung attacking yun.
Now a quick replay on that last sequence coming from Abitria. Napakaganda dito. Now, 3-point lead of NCF Tigers. Santos to serve. Too much power on that serve. Bonus point para dito sa UB Brahmans.
Pesigan to serve on the side of UB. Kutito, back set. Free ball ang ibibigay ni Rendal. Zaraspe to Almaria. Rendal, another error.
Ngayon, naibaba na lamang sa isa ang kalamangan ng UB Brahmans. Now antang in exchange of Rendal. Now let's see here. So it's number 1. Will there be a change of momentum?
Kutito in the middle, Daniel. Boy pang bola, De Chavez will give up a free ball. Kutito, soft touch by Antang. Nakuha ito. Line judge says out. So point will go on the side of NCF.
Now Antang to serve. With 2-point lead of NCF Tigers.
Zaraspe setting up Almaria. And babawi dito ang Batangas, University of Batangas.
Now jersey number 19 now. With a 1-point lead na hinahabol.
In the middle, Mendoza ulit. Medyo tahimik din itong si Mendoza para dito sa ating laro. But on that last sequence, point conversion para sa kanyang kupunan. Now, 9-all.
Now let's see here.
Zaraspe to serve. Kutitub to Abitria. Off the block hit.
Now NCF Tigers. Still having this great momentum here. Pero napakahigpit ng laban itong dalawang kupunan. Kutito.
Zaraspe, one more time for Mendoza. What a hit para dito kay Mendoza.
Grabe yung malalakas na palo dito ni Mendoza. Pambawi ng UB Brahmans. Now Mendoza to serve. Pero an error. Kanina pa nag-error itong si Mendoza sa mga service. But still, a very confident player when it comes to blockings and attacks. Now Daniel to serve here sa side ng NCF Tigers.
Almaria with that cross-court hit. Almaria on the deck to serve. But again, error 10. Ito din ang kalaban ngayon on the side of University of Batangas.
Now, Abitria. Ready now to serve.
Palitan dito, tinang error ang dalawang kupunan.
You're tied at 12 all.
Kutitub, setting up Servidad. Pesigan will try and Pesigan denied. Napakagandang substitution itong sa Servidad on the side of NCF at this moment. Napakaganda ng contribution niya. Dima Felix received that ball. And this time, babawi naman itong si Gabrinao.
Lumusot dun kay Santos. Now, walang bumibitaw dito sa dalawang kupunan. Still tied on 13 all. Now, jersey number 6.
Good serve. Abitria will give up a free ball. Zaraspe to Mendoza, and Mendoza will score.
And now it's time to score here on the side of NCF Tigers. 14-13 in favor of the UP Brahmans. Now, what a good set number 3 we're seeing right now. At sa pagkakataong ito, yung set na to, grabe yung mas in-improve from set number 1, set number 2 na denominate nga ng UP or ng UP Brahmans during that set number 1, set number 2 for NCF Tigers. But now, equal yung ipinapakitang performance dito ng NCF and UB. So now, let's see kung kaninong determination kaya yung mangingibabaw dito. Less error para dito sa dalawang kupunan na to dahil yun nga yung nagiging kalaban nila when it comes to playing volleyball.
Now, back to the volleyball action. 1-point lead ang hawak ngayon ng University of Batangas. Nuay ibabalik on the side of NCF Tigers. Now, Gabrinao on the deck to serve. Good serve. Service ace para dito kay Gabrinao on the side of University